guys, so let's take a look at how our trade went for the day. So finally, I've closed my position with around 0.9 percentage of my capital. But what I've deployed is not fully 1%. It was almost only three-fourth of my capital, and we were able to almost get 1% of my total capital in my account. So let's take a look at what exactly I had done. So basically, what I've done is basically selling out of the money put option, out of the money call option. I have sold three lots, and if you take a look at my orders, here we have where I had closed my position. It's actually my positional trading. So for 3 days I hold it and basically I want to do time decay, so make use of the time decay, and tomorrow's expiry. So right now it's today is when the market opens at 9:15 a.m. Expiry day starts. So basically this is what I was able to capture in my premium. And let's take a look at the price action that has happened today. So basically, we have a strong resistance zone here, also resistance zone. So exactly money from there, sellers started being active and sold they they sold in the market. And there is a kind of white CPS, so we can expect a pretty much sideways market. So it was also pretty much sideways market. Here also we have a bit white CPS, so and that's again same. It was a sideways market again, and then here also very wide CPR. Here also we can see there was a very wide CPR, and again the market was again still in a sideways mode. And then if we can come into our current day's price action, let's take a look at the key levels. Okay, so basically I had already marked these levels before itself, and we can see that exactly from that point the market again bounced back, again came. It took SL hunting kind of happened over here. So people who thought the market will even go down, they got trapped and the market went up, and again from CPI, which acted as a good resistance, again the market came down correctly to the trend line. So the trend line was marked again way before the market opened. So that's how simple we can look after our SL hunting, price action, and money management. So if I'm trying to make 1% every week, that's almost 4% every month. So we can almost make, let's say, with keeping losses last month in mind, we can almost make 40% ROI on our capital. So that's what basically I'm targeting right now, and I'm only selling options right now. I'm doing option selling, so option selling is what I'm trying to do right now with probably like Iron Condor or Iron Fly or Straddle, Strangle, these kind of different strategies that I tried out based on my OI analysis. So that's how a simple price action pattern we have seen today, and how these levels were easily respected, even these levels were respected. So always make sure price action is always king. Then we make use of the um, pivot points or indicators. Here also this is R1, R1 resistance. Exactly from that resistance worked out, and there was a big selling candle and market again came down. So that's it for today's update on the market. And so here we have come into, yeah, this is my capital fund that I'm using. And finally, yep, this is the profit that I made. So I'll come up with another video tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys.